Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to use any photo as a keyboard background in the Google Keyboard app. So it doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone, the process is the same. So to get started, you will need to find and tap on this gear icon in the keyboard app. Now if you don't find it, you can also open the Gboard app directly. Once you are in the settings menu, tap on theme. Now in here, under my theme, tap on this plus icon here. Now it will give you an option to select a photo from your phone's gallery. Simply select the photo you want to use. You can then zoom in or zoom out of the photo depending on how you want to see it. Now tap on next. Now here you will need to use this slider to adjust the brightness. Now tap on done. Now here you can either enable the key borders or disable them. So I think disabling them gives the keyboard a cleaner look. Finally hit apply. Once you have done that, simply go back to the keyboard app and you should see your photo as the keyboard background. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.